Hi, welcome to my English Learning Corner. I'm really happy that you could join me. Today we are looking at the five types of adjectives that we get. So, first we have condition adjectives, we have appearance adjectives, time adjectives, personality adjectives, and quantity adjectives. And all five of these, I will give some examples and how to use them in sentences. So, condition adjectives. What is the meaning of condition? Condition is your feeling or your actions or your character. So, how you are as a person, the way you feel, the way you act, and the way you experience life. That is the condition. Okay. Now, when you say alive, we can say a plant is alive, or I am alive, or we can say our friend is alive. And alive means that they are growing, they are moving, and they are breathing or changing in some way. Next, we have better. Better refers to increasing in situation or improving in situation. So I could say, I hope tomorrow's weather is better because today it is cold. So better, it's improving. Next, we have careful. Careful is when you are focused on being very smart with your decisions, or you do things very slowly to make sure you don't make a mistake. So if I say, I am carefully walking, it means that I am very slowly moving along. I am not doing it in a fast way. Careful. Then we have clever. Clever refers to how you think, how you act, and what you do. So let's say my friend is clever because she always gets an A plus in school. That would be clever. Then we have dead, which refers to not living anymore. So dead is the opposite of alive. Next we have easy. Easy refers to something that can be done without a lot of work or without a lot of effort. It is easy to write with a pencil because it is easy to make the marks on the paper. Next, we have famous. Famous refers to a person or a thing that most people know about. So we can say the UEFA Soccer Cup, World Cup, is very famous. We can say that the Made in China brand is very famous. We can also say that some movie stars or some music idols are very famous. Next, we have gifted. Gifted refers to the fact that you have many different talents or you can do many things. So maybe I can play tennis, I'm good with speaking, and I really like maths. That's three things. But then my friend comes and she can play piano, she can ride bicycle, she's very good at swimming, she won a trophy in horse riding, and she always gets the top 10 at school. So she has five things that she's very good at. So she is very gifted. Next, we have helpful. Helpful is when you help someone and you try to make something easier for them. So if I see an old lady trying to cross the road and she's carrying something heavy, then I will be helpful and carry some of the bags for her. Next, we have important. And important refers to something that, based on the situation, is very well, important to happen. So, important will refer to, I think it's important that I apply for a job that pays me a good salary. Or I think it's important to spend time with my family. Next, we have inexpensive. Inexpensive refers to something that is cheap and affordable, so it does not take a lot of money. Odd refers to something that is strange or You get this, that's weird. This is odd. It can also be the odd one out. So if I show you these four things, which one is different? The pencil is different, so it is odd. And these ones are the pens. So they are the same, and this one is odd. Next, we have powerful. So we can say Superman is powerful because he's very strong. We also have rich. Rich refers to having a lot of money or wealth. So if you are rich, then you have many material things. Next, we have shy. So how can I explain shy to you? Shy is like, I don't want to see you. I'm too shy. I'm too scared. That's what shy means. We also have tender. Tender is when something is sensitive. So if you hit my hand and then you touch it afterwards, it will be tender because it will be hurting. Next, we have vast. And vast refers to a big open space with nothing in it, or a big open space between two things. That will be vast. So if we go into the countryside, there is a vast distance or a big distance between the city and the town. And next we have wrong. I believe everyone knows what wrong means, but this is when something bad or wrong happens. I really hope that part one of conditional adjectives has helped you a little bit to understand how to use adjectives better in future. See you in the next one.